Gillenwater here at Starting Strength Boise. We are putting together a series for you if you are brand new to the gym, if you're brand new to Starting Strength, brand new to barbell training. So whether you know about Starting Strength or not, whether you've been to the gym before or not, this is a series that will be good for you if you have never touched a barbell before, if you don't know where to get started in the gym. So you need chalk. You're not going to need chalk if it's your very first day, but get in the habit of using it because otherwise it will be something that prevents you from making progress. So if you go to a gym that does not allow chalk, then they are putting their convenience over your safety and progress, so that's not good. Don't go to that gym or sneak in your own chalk. If you go to a gym with chalk, let me show you how to use it. I'll coach my wife through how to use the chalk. Notice she's not putting her hands in the bowl and then doing the Lebron James and making a giant mess. She's putting her hands in the bowl. Put both your hands in the bowl. Grab the piece of chalk. Do not break up the piece of chalk. That's for the coaches to do. Leave that to us. And then draw thick lines across the parts of your hand where the bar will make contact. More than that. There you go, on both sides. She's making a bit of a mess, so we'll probably charge her more for her membership, but keep it as tidy as possible because there's no need to cause a vacuuming task every time you put chalk on your hands. Chalk enables you to have a firm, dry attachment to the barbell, and that is important to make sure the barbell doesn't leave your grip and to ensure you can keep making progress over time. So chalk is a mandatory part of the program. If you're new to strength training, follow the Starting Strength program because it is the fastest way to get stronger. If you need help, that's what this YouTube channel is for, so subscribe to make sure you're notified when a new video comes out. If you need more help with a coach, you can get an online coach. You can get training at one of our gyms. You can even apply to own a gym, so check out the links in the description. Thanks.